Hi guys. So thank you so much again for listening me. I hope you guys are enjoying the free SQL and Linux training, and you are finding these sessions very much interactive. Chalo, let's get started with our next lecture. So in the last lecture we have discussed about how you can do the in the last lecture we have discussed about how you can do the Oracle, not Oracle, yeah. What we have discussed in the last lecture, we have discussed about how you can do the installation of Ubuntu, correct? So, just wanted to confirm with everyone, are you able to do the installation yesterday? Are you able to complete the installation yesterday? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, sir, I have completed. Oh, yeah. So many people are able to do that. Chalo. Sai is saying yes. Sakshi is saying yes. Lakhan is saying my today is my first day. Acha, welcome baby. Neha is saying yes. Hassan is saying yes. Aradhe is saying no sir. Komal is saying yes. Pankaj is saying yes. Kirti is saying my Ubuntu is not downloaded. Fine. Uh, completed sir. Yes. To Ranga is saying yes. Okay, fine. Oh man, so many people are able to do the installation. So very good. At least you guys are doing something good. So those people who are watching and listening us, okay, some important things I want to tell you. So we got so many requests from some of the colleges, especially from the Pune location. So some people are facing some of the challenges related to the installation of Ubuntu or this Linux operating system. Okay, so those people who are facing some challenges, those people who are facing some, can you please not request me for the recording, because we are not allowing that. Okay, so that's the reason, do not send me any request for the recording. Okay, so please do not send me any request for the recording. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to allow that. Okay, the recording is strictly prohibited. So I was continuing with the that. Okay, so we got the request from so many colleges, especially from the Pune location. So that few peoples, or more like some peoples, they are facing some challenges while they are doing the installation of Linux operating system. Okay, now I want to give you support, like there will be maybe very small issues are there, you guys are facing while doing the installation. What I can do, like, if you're from the Pune location, like if you're from the Pune location, you people can visit our office by um what you can do, you people can visit us by 12 p.m. Okay, by 12 p.m. The Sunday time. Okay, Sunday 12 p.m. you people can visit our office. So I'll be there, my support team will be there. You just come up with the laptop and we will fix your issues. So in Pune by 12 p.m. in my office, in our Learnomate office, we are going to show you how to do the installation from the starting. In Pune location, in Pune, we have our office is available in the Bhumkar Chowk, Wakad, Pune. Bhumkar Chowk. I hope the people who are joining from Pune location, they already aware about the Bhumkar Chowk. So in Bhumkar Chowk, Wakad, Pune, we have our offices there with the name Learnomate Technologies. So Sunday by 12 o'clock, okay, yeah, it is near to the JSPM college. So those people who are facing some issues while doing the installation, we are going to conduct that again, and we will fix your issues also. There are certain issues which cannot be fixed by taking the control, we need to see that. So we will fix everything. Okay, so those people who are from Pune location, they, but again, like, please let us know, please let us know how, like, how many people are coming and visiting us, so that we can plan accordingly. The timing is uh the timing is Sunday 12 p.m. Okay, so offline only, it will be offline only. So we have a classroom is there. In that classroom I will, and we have a digital screen is also available there. I will show you how to install the Ubuntu again from the starting. Then there we have a dedicated support team is also available, so they will just see your issue and they will fix the issue. So if you guys are interested, let us know. Okay, let us know. We'll see that. Okay, let us know, we'll see that. Fine, that's one update I want to tell you. If you want to know the location of our office, what you can do, you can just go to the Google and search here with the Learnomate technologies. Just search here with the Learnomate technologies, and if you just go here, so this is our official website. Okay, this is our official website. Let me show you why the map is not coming. Okay, so this is our map, you can see here. So this is the location. You can see we have quite good ratings also. If you want to know more about us, you can just check it from here, and there is a direction button is there. So this is the URL. Can I share this with you all if it is possible? Let me see if I can share. How to share? Okay, I just search in the Google, you will get it. Okay, so it's in the Bhumkar Chowk, Wakad, Pune. Okay, so those people who are interested, they can join us by 12 p.m. Sunday. Okay, so if you have any question, queries, anything related to the location and all, you can reach out to the number. So it will be like Sunday. Let me just change the color. It will be Sunday 12 p.m. Okay, this, what is the date? Date will be this 8th of October. Okay, 8th of October at Learnomate Technologies. Okay, Learnomate Technologies, Pune, in this location. If you have any question, queries, anything, these are the two numbers, or you can also reach out to us on the email ID. Okay, we'll do that and we'll fix the issues, guys. Okay, now let's start with the yesterday sessions, whatever we have left yesterday. Now I can see that most of you people are able to fix the issues, and I'll also try to share some of the thoughts related to the IT industry there. Now let me close this machine, because this machine I'm not using right now. Whatever machines you want to use, you can just start this. So I'm interested to start your machine, this Ubuntu machine, and I'll just click on the start. Whenever you want to use the machine, click here and click on the start, and the machine will get started. Okay, whenever you don't want to use the machine, you can just, let's say I don't want to use this machine, so I'll just right click, stop, and there is a button called power off is there, power off. So this way you can power off the machine. But whenever you want to start the machine, you can just click on the start and the machine will get started. This is the way you can see my machine. Okay, now I'll just log in here with the help of Learnomate user, and my password is Oracle. Everyone must have used the Oracle. If your machine is running very slow, maybe it is a problem related to your RAM. You don't have sufficient RAM available. That is the reason your machine will be running slow. Now there will be certain problems you will find here, that first of all, the screen is very small, right? The screen is very small. So if the screen is very small, I'll tell you like how you can increase the screen. Click on the top, click on the top, click on the settings, click on the top, click on the settings, and there will be an option called display will be here. Scroll it down, there is an option called display is there. Click there and change this display to 16 by 9. You can mention 16 by 9. Click on apply. Click on apply. Click on keep changes, and now you can see the screen is little better. What I have done, let me show you again. Click here, click on the settings, click here, click on the settings, then click on the display, then click on the display, then click on the display. Just scroll it down, you can see it. Click on the display and change it to 16 by 9 or 16 by 10 depending upon your laptop configurations. You can set the resolution, change the resolution to 16 by 9. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. This needs to be done by everyone. Okay, please do that. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Hassan is saying done. Sheikh is saying done. Arun is saying done. Krunal is saying done. Hardik is saying done. Premika is saying done. JD, what is that? JDPT is saying done. Suchita is saying done. Sarthak is saying done. Sahil is saying done. Let's do that, guys. Let's do that. Okay, is it done, everyone? Okay, fine. Now, so if you are not able to do, I'll just tell you one more time. Click here, click on the settings, click here, click on the settings, click here, click on the settings, click on the display, click on the display and change it to 16 by 9. Now still, this screen will not be that good, right? This screen is not showing that good. So what you need to do, click on the view, click on the view. You can see on the top, click on the view, click on the scale mode, click on the scale mode. You will see the screen will go again like this. Can you just click here, click on the view, click on the scale mode, okay, and just maximize it. So then you can see like this, then you can see like this. Just maximize it, you will see like this. Click on the view, click on the scale mode and then maximize the screen. You will see something like this. Are you able to do that? Let me know once it is done. Let me know once you are able to do. Are you able to do that, guys? Okay, done. Karthik is saying done. Harsh is saying done. Mansi is saying done. Aruru is saying done. Bhavana is saying done. Sarita is saying done. Where is yes, sir. Ranga is saying done, 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 done. Ashish is saying done. Rushabh is saying done. Prasad is saying done. Rushabh is saying done. Tejas is saying. Hassan is saying done. Oh man. Click on the view. Click on the view. Okay. Click on the view and click on the view and there is a scale mode is there. Scale mode. Okay. Click on the view and there is a scale mode. Okay. Click on the view and then scale mode. Okay. Then you will be see like this. Okay. Now it will be better. Okay. Now it will be better. Okay. Then what you need to do, you need to right click and open terminal. 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 Then you will see the terminal like this. What you need to do, you need to right click, open terminal. You need to right click and open terminal. You need to right click and open terminal. You need to right click and open terminal and double click on it. You need to right click and open terminal. So this is a terminal where we are going to run our command. This is a terminal where we are going to run the command. This is a terminal where we are going to run the command. Are you able to see the terminal like this? If your mouse is not working, just restart the machine. It will be 1. Are you able to see the terminal like this? Saurabh is saying yes. Sahil is saying yes. Saket is saying yes. Grish is saying yes. Sarthi is saying yes. Sugandha is saying yes. Sonali is saying yes. Mohad is saying yes. Abhiram is saying yes. Are Baba. Ashok is saying yes. Ranga is saying yes. What you need to do? See, if you go here, right click and open terminal. Right click and open terminal. Right click and open terminal. What you need to do? Right click and open terminal. Right click and open terminal. Okay. Right click and open terminal. Right click and open terminal. Let me know once it is done. Right click and open terminal. Okay. Then once I right click and open terminal, you can see the terminal here also. You can just click here also. This side also you can see the terminal. Okay. Now one more problem is that this terminal is very small in size. The font is very small, right? What you can do, right click on the preference, right click on the preference, click on the custom font, click on the custom font, change this size from 12 to 18. Change this size from 12 to 18 and click on select. Click on the custom font, change this size to 18 and close it. Click on the right click on the preference, click on the right click on the preference, custom font, change this to 18. Change this to 18. Change this to 18. Okay. Change this to 18. Change this to 18. Click on select. And now you will be able to see the screen like this. Now you will be able to see the screen like this. Now with this screen you can start doing the practice. If you are able to see the screen like this, we can start doing the practice. If you are able to see the screen like this, it means you are doing a very good job, and whatever I'm telling you, you are able to follow me successfully. So this is a screen where we are going to do the Linux practice, and I'm going to tell you how to use the Linux command. But this is what it should be visible to you, everyone. Okay. Can you please confirm me whether you are able to see the screen like this? Say yes. Yash is saying yes, Grish is saying yes, Mallikarjun is saying yes, Nandita is saying yes, Karthik is saying yes, Bhana is saying yes, Saurav is saying yes, Gaurav is saying yes, Sajid is saying yes, Devang is saying yes, Hassan is saying yes, Syed Khan is saying yes, Sonal is saying yes, Saket is saying yes, Aishwarya is saying yes, Datta is saying yes. Oh my god, so many yes. Everyone, fine. Now daily what you need to do, you need to start doing your practice on this terminal only. We call it as a terminal. This is a terminal where you are going to run your Linux command. So if you are able to see the screen, you should feel happy, and believe me, you guys are doing a really good job if you are able to see something like this. And again, I'm telling you, those people who are from Pune location, okay, what we will do, we will send a Google form most probably to your group, and if you guys are coming, then only say, if you guys are facing some challenges, and if you guys are wish to come and visit our office, then only fill up the form, so that I will be available there. Otherwise I may have other meetings. Okay, so please give us a genuine feedback whether you people are really coming or not, so accordingly we will plan the things. Okay, till now whatever we have discussed, are you able to understand, guys? Everything is fine? Okay, fine. Now let us try to understand the first Linux command. Let us try to understand the first Linux command. Now, so if you are using a Windows operating system, so this is my Windows operating system. Okay, this is my Windows operating system. In Windows, like if I'm going here, and if someone is asking me that what is the location of your Windows, like where are you right now, what is your present working directory? Present working directory means where are you right now. If I just click here, so I am available in this location. If I go here on the top, right now I am inside the app drive. Under app drive there is a folder is there. Under this folder is there. I am available in this location. Okay, I am available in this location. This is called my present working directory. What we are calling it as, I am calling it as a present working directory. I am available in this location. If I want to go inside the logs, there is a folder is available, right? If I want to go inside the logs folder, I will just double click and I will go inside that log folder. Which folder I will go? I'll go inside the log folder. Similar way, if someone is asking you in Linux, can you please let me know your present working directory? Where are you right now? Then there is a simple command is there. We call it as a pwd. When I run this command, I got the output. So I am inside the /home /learnomate /desktop. I am inside which location? I am inside the desktop location. Where I am right now? I am inside the desktop location. So pwd, the long form is present working directory. What is the long form of pwd? The pwd long form is present working directory. What it refer? It refer where are you right now. So where I am right now, if I'm comparing with Windows, I am inside this folder. I am inside the class recording. I am inside the class recording. So when you want to know where are you right now in Windows, you can simply click on the top and you'll get to know that okay, you are here. But in Linux, whenever you want to know that where are you right now, you need to use a command called pwd. So where are you right now? I am inside the /home. Under the /home there is a Learnomate folder is there. Under Learnomate folder there is a folder called desktop is there. Which folder it is there? Desktop. Which folder it is there? Desktop. Now what is this desktop? This is a desktop I'm talking about. This is a desktop where I am right now. Now if I want to know what are all files are available under a desktop, if I want to know what are all files are available in that location, like let's say I am inside the which location, download folder. Now if I want to know what are all files are available, you can simply see it in Windows. You can simply see it in Windows. If you want to know what are all files are available, you can simply see it in Windows, correct? You can directly see here. But in Linux, if you want to know, what are all files are there in Linux, if what are all files are there, you need to run the command like ls-lrt. So under desktop there is no files available. Total 0 means this desktop folder is empty. There is nothing available. This ls-lrt is the command which will list. What it will do? It will list the files from the desktop location. Which location? From the current location. What is my current location? My current location is desktop. Try to run this command and let me know if you are able to see the same output. Okay, before that, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand, everyone? Are you able to understand? Amruta is saying yes, Samir is saying yes, Tejas is saying yes, Rajesh is saying yes, Arur is saying yes, Girish is saying yes, Kirti is saying yes, Samsung is saying yes, Rasika is saying yes. Okay, so let's run this command. Let's run this command and let me know once it is done. So pwd will refer to the present working directory. Pwd will refer to the present working directory where I am right now. I am inside the Learnomate desktop. So if someone is asking you, can you please let me know what are all files are available under a desktop? You can simply use a command like ls-lrt. There are no files available under desktop. Okay, ls-lrt. Okay, is it done, everyone? Okay, done. Fine. Now let's do one thing. See, this is my desktop. There will be a question in your mind that why I'm not able to see the home folder, because this is a hidden folder. You are not able to see that. But assume that this is my desktop. Actually, this is my Learnomate desktop. Can you see? Currently I have logged in by using Learnomate user. If I want to create a new folder, I'll just right click and I'll create a new folder and I'll give the name like www. I have given the name like www. But when you are working, okay, you can see this folder got created here. I'll just here. But when you are working in the IT industry, you will not see the desktop like this. When you are working into the IT industry, you will not see the desktop like this. You will see only the terminal. What you will see? You will see only the terminal like this. So if you want to create a folder or if you want to see the folder, you will not be able to see the desktop like this. So if I use the command like ls-lrt, which will list, if I use the command like ls-lrt and press enter, you can see the www folder is available here. How can I see this folder? Because just now I have created this manually, this folder. So ls-lrt command will show you, ls-lrt command will show you the folders which are available in the current location. So create a folder manually by using right click, new folder, and run this ls-lrt command. See whether you are able to see that. Try to check whether you are able to see that. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Done? Okay, fine. Okay, good. Now the next thing. So some people are asking that why it is showing it as total 0. So this total, why it is showing it as total 4. 4 is not the number of 4 is not the number of directives available there. 4 is basically the size. The 4 is basically a size, 4 byte. Can you see this www folder has taken 4 byte space? So this is basically a space consumed by that folder. The total space consumed, it is showing. It's not the number of, it's not the number of record, or it's not the number of files and directive. Okay, it's the space consumed by the folder which are available there. Now where I'm right now, I am inside the desktop. You can see, if someone is asking that where you are right now, you can see from here also, or you can use pwd command also. So right now I am inside the Learnomate desktop. Where I am right now, I am inside the Learnomate desktop. Now what I want to do, I want to create a folder. So last time what I did, if I want to create a folder, I use the GUI mode. But normally in Linux, we don't have GUI mode. So if I want to create a folder under a desktop, there is a simple command is there, mkdir make a directory, mkdir and folder name. Let's say the folder name is test, and press enter. As soon as you press enter, the folder will be created under desktop. How can I cross check? You can just minimize it, and you can see here the test folder got created. I'll just drag it here. Can you see how this folder got created? This folder got created by using a command called mkdir. Let me show you one more folder. If I use the command like, mkdir data and press enter, you can see here the data folder got created. Can you see the data folder? Why this data folder got created under desktop? Because I am inside the desktop now. So mkdir is the command whenever you want to create a folder. Mkdir is the command to create a folder or directory. In Linux, the folder we called it as a directory. Whenever you want to create a folder, see, the directive will be created, but it will be, because of this resolution, the directive will go little bit here, this right hand side. So just check that it will be there. Or if you want to verify whether the directory has been created or not, simply use command like, which command you can run, which command you can use, ls-lrt. If you run this command, you can see in the output also there is a test folder we created, and then data folder also you can create it. Are you able to understand? ls-lrt is the ls-lrt ls-lrt is the command to, okay, let's do that. Run the mkdir command. Okay, let's do that. Are you able to do that, guys? Are you able to follow me? Let me know once it is done. Done. Those people who are able to follow me properly, they have a very good, those people who are able to follow me, they have very good. And those people who are not able to understand me, तो बेजे पे क्या चढ़ गए, जंग चढ़ गए. अपने को उसको निकालना है, अभी पॉलिशिंग की जरूरत है उसको. ठीक है, अब बहुत दिनों से दिमाग नहीं चलाया होगा ना, तो वो चलेगा भी नहीं. Is it done, everyone? साला आधे लोगों को तो अटेंडेंस की पड़ी रहती है, कब अटेंडेंस खत्म होती है और कब मैं जाके ये क्लास खत्म कर दूंगा। लेंगे लेंगे लेंगे। ये समझता है क्या? My energy is completely down. Like I'm just sitting from last three, I think last 3 hours. I'm continuously sitting. So, little down today. So we discuss about the few commands. The first command we have discussed about where I am right now. How will you get to know? By running the command like pwd. The second command we have discussed about ls-lrt, which will show you the list of the current directory, whatever the directories or files you have under your current directories, that it will list. Present working directory will show you the current location, Then we have discussed about mkdir and then space directory name. Whatever directory you want to create, you need to do like that, mkdir and directory name. Okay, this is what you need to do. Now let's do one thing. I'll give you one assignment now. Okay, I'll give you one assignment. The assignment is, okay, under a desktop. Right now you are in desktop. Under a desktop, create a folder called create directory. What is the directory name? The directory name is f1, and then show me the current location. Okay, let's do one thing. First of all, show me the current location. Then create the directory f1, then list the directories. What you need to do? List the directory. These three things you need to do. Are you able to understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? Create a folder called f1 and then list a directory. Let's do that and send me the output. Or let me know once it is done. 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 Is it done, everyone? Rajwal is saying done. So, okay. So it should be something like this. MK, first of all, pwd is the command which will show you where are you right now. mkdir f1 and then ls happen lrt. Correct, absolutely correct. Nice. Done, 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 done. When you are starting your career as a Oracle DBA, you will see the screen like this. So this is our office screen. All the commands you are going to run like this. See, can you see? These are your Linux command only, which I just use, right? So these are the commands which you need to, these are the commands which you need to run as soon as you are going to start your career as a into the IT industry. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you all this command. Okay, so that is the reason. See, I'll tell you, like, most of the time what will happen, like when you are the part of engineering college now, especially when you are in engineering, that time we take the things very lightly. Like even it's happening with me also. Okay, when I was the part of engineering college, like we don't know how the industry works. Okay, then as soon as you enter into the IT industry, then you'll understand that I don't know anything. So in my life, like whatever I have learned or whatever things I know, that I have learned as soon as I enter into the IT industry. You know what is the biggest challenge for the people like you and me, especially the people who are coming from Maharashtra, or the people who are coming from uh, Marathi medium, especially the environment we are not getting that great. That's a problem. Like, you know, see, if maybe if you are the part of third year or final year, and let's say whenever you are going for an interview, he will not ask you like um, he will not ask you something like लिनक्स क्या असतं, लिनक्स क्या होता है, कैसे बनाओगे डायरेक्टरीज. He will not ask you something like that. He will speak in English, right? So most of the people, what challenges I have observed, that the people are not having a good communication skill. If you want to survive into the IT industry, there are two things which are playing a very, very important role. The first important thing is you should be technically sound. The first important thing is you should be technically sound. Correct? Many people, what I observed, that even though you are a technically sound, but if your communication is bad, still you will not be able to crack the interview. That is the reason I'm always saying to the people, especially from the engineering college, that you should start focusing on your not only just technical skill set, you should also start focusing on your communication skill set also. Now there will be a question in your mind that how can I increase my communication? So if I'm asking you, you do one thing. From today you start talking in English with your mom, with your father, with your papa, mother, boyfriend, girlfriend, anything. You'll be laughing like anything. I cannot talk with my friend, hey bro, how are you doing? It's not possible, right? Yeah. वो वो बोल के ऐसे ऐसे अंदर से हंसी आ जाती है कि how can I say hey bro? Whenever we are going to say a bro to that person, he will first of all slap us like पी के आए क्या, something like that will happen, right? So we cannot change our habit, right? We cannot change our habit. So if you want to increase the communication, the first thing is that start watching the English channel as much as you can. Okay, like you know that Arnab Goswami is there, right? Whether you are interested in him or not, you should start listening him. If your listening skill set is good now, if your listening skill set is good, then definitely um, you know, it will help you to, you know, increase your communication. That is the first thing. I'm not going to tell you that you should start reading the newspaper and all. ये पुराना mantra hai. That's a purana mantra, means it's a very old mantra that someone will ask you. See, I'm not going to tell you all these bullshits. Okay, no one will do that. Even I have not done that. How I increase my communication skill? I know that I'm not that good, but whenever I am giving a training to the people, I have a people coming from not only just India, I have a people coming from USA location, UK, then from different countries, uh, especially like everywhere. From overall, everyone is watching our training session. Even if you see our YouTube channel, there are thousands of videos which we have created into the English language. So how I have increased my communication? The first thing is that my surrounding was quite better. When I was the part of Cognizant Technology Solution, which is again MNC company in India, not only in just India, it's everywhere. So my colleagues were there from the Tamil Nadu location, which is in Chennai. And Chennai people have very good communication skill set, especially in English. Second thing is that I was also working with the Telugu people. Now the problem with the Chennai people that they don't know how to communicate in Hindi or even Marathi, they don't know. Other thing is that the people who are the part of Andhra side or Telugu side, they don't know how to communicate in Hindi. Like at least they know little bit. Andhra people, they know little bit Hindi, but Chennai, they don't know anything, even single word also they don't know. So we had a group in the Cognizant coming from Maharashtra location. So we as a Marathi, I'm as a Marathi. Then we had Chennai people, and the third group was which is from Telugu. So we were all the friends. Now, whenever I want to communicate with that person, okay, whenever I want to communicate with the Chennai person or other person, the one communication was the one language we need. Like वो इजार के लिए language लगती है ना, the इजार is important, right? We need to communicate, right? So even though if I'm not interested in talking in English, I need to use one language, and that language was English only. So when I started talking in first day, like the communication was really bad. Second day, third day, like when somebody is asking me to communicate in English, especially in technical word, I can do that. But वो daily life होता है ना, that will be very difficult. So, but still, when I was with those peoples for last 3 years, I can see in myself there is much improvement, and that is the reason I can handle the people from anywhere in the world. So in our training, we have a people coming from US, UK, Saudi, Sri Lanka, everywhere, like from anywhere the people are joining to our training. So second thing was like is listening skill. When your colleague is talking in English, you should know that what he is talking, right? And definitely your listening skills will be, again it will be very good when you are getting married. जब आप शादीशुदा हो जाते हो तो वाइफ बहुत कुछ बोलती रहती है, तो ऑब्वियसली आप लोगों का कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बढ़ते जाएगा. तो वैसे भी मेरा भी बढ़ चुका है. So that's the one thing. So you should be very good in communication skill. Your listening skill should be also good. Okay. Now at this point of view, if you want to increase the communication skill, okay, if you want to increase the communication skill, you can communicate with the customer care. You might be getting the calls from the credit card person, right? She will be calling you. Hi Abhishek, we are offering you a credit card which is completely free of cost, lifetime, something like that she will say. वैसे भी आप लोगों को कौन सा काम होता है, राइट? कॉलेज में तो वैसे भी, like if you ask me in college, like even though you have an English syllabus, your teacher will convert that English into the Marathi only or Hindi only, right? That is what they are doing, right? Especially I have seen all these things. So when you are getting a call from the customer care, okay, try to talk with them in the English only. That's the first thing. Second thing is like wherever you get opportunity, see, you cannot talk to a person who know you. Like let's say you are saying that I want to talk to my parents in English, वो तो झापड़ मार के फेंक देंगे आपको, राइट? सो उसको तो आप सुन नहीं सकते, राइट? तो आप क्या बोलोगे कि लाइक डिड यू से समथिंग लाइक आई नेवर से टू माई पेरेंट्स हैप्पी बर्थडे बाबा, आई नेवर से, इवन आई नेवर से टू देम लाइक गुड नाइट पप्पा, ऐसा बोल के वो शर्म आ जाती है अंदर से, राइट? वो अपने से होता नहीं है. सो what you need to do, you need to say these things to the person who are quite new to you. Okay, agar if possible you can communicate with the people. Let's take an example. If you have a friend who is coming from Andhra location or Chennai location, try to communicate with him. Okay, so the main intention is that, you know, what is the main intention? The main intention is that your communication should be improved, है ना? अब बहुत सारे लोग क्या होते हैं ना कि दे आर लाइक वेरी शाय इन पर्सनैलिटी. ओके, वेरी शाय. दोज पीपल हु आर वेरी शाय इन पर्सनैलिटी, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम, यू नो, इन दिस वर्ल्ड. जिसका कम्युनिकेशन सबसे अच्छा होना, ओके, उसकी चलती है. अब कोई भी एग्जांपल है, आप पॉलिटिशियन को ले लो, राइट? यू टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ पॉलिटिशियन ओनली. आप क्या बोलोगे कि ये बंदा अगर बात नहीं करता है ना, तो आप क्या बोलोगे कि दिस पर्सन इज नॉट ऑफ एनी यूज. Maybe he is a very good person, maybe he is doing very good job, but his communication is poor ना, so वैसे आप उसको भाव नहीं दोगे, right? But the person who is having, you know, a good personality, a good communication, you will feel that okay, इसमें कुछ बात है. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है बॉस. ओके, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. बट इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड, okay, what is matter is, the matter is communication. जिस बंदे ने कम्युनिकेशन पे फोकस किया है ना, उस बंदे ने बहुत कुछ कमाया है. ओके, बहुत कुछ कमाया. try to start working on your communication skill set. What you need to do, start communicating with the customer care in the English language. That is the first thing. Start working on your confidence. Okay, that is the second thing. Apart from this, you can also start communicating with the customer. Say the customer and all these things will be automatically. Okay, वो confidence तो automatically आ ही जाता है. So that is what I'm saying, like start working on your communication, start working on your confidence. Third thing is start working on your technical skill set. Again, I'm telling you that you will definitely work on it as soon as the salary is getting credited to your account. अब मेरी अगर फटी रही है कि मेरे को पता है कि अगर मेरा मैनेजर मेरे को निकालने वाला है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द टेक्निकल स्किल सेट. ऑटोमेटिकली यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर टेक्निकल स्किल सेट. ही इज गोइंग टू गिव यू वन वर्क टास्क. अरे वो आरती वो कर देना भाई, उतना काम कर देना, कल तक हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, तो you will do day and night and you will make sure that this work should be done. Okay, I know that technically you will do that, but communication is the things which will not be getting improved in one day. और confidence, वो है ना, वो confidence and confidence जो होता है ना, वो खून में रहता है. खून में बोलते हैं ना, खून में. If I'm telling you, I'll tell you one thing, that अगर मैं अपने बच्चों को बोलूँगा, अपने लड़कों को, कि भाई वो ऑटो वाले से झगड़ा कर ले, तो साला उसको 10 गाली दे देगा. लेकिन उसी बंदे को जब बोलेंगे ना कि वो इंटरव्यू दे दे, तो उसको अंदर से ना ऐसी हवा लगती है. ऐसे कुछ होता है सबके साथ में, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन विद एवरीवन. सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से, व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग, बिकॉज योर कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट दैट गुड. ओके, इफ यू नो योर HOD इज स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, ओके, तो मेरे को HOD का डर नहीं है. मेरे को डर किसका है? वो साला इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे, उसका डर है मेरे को. ऐसे कुछ होता होगा आप लोगों के साथ में. Why I'm able to tell you all these things? Because it's happening with, because I have already gone through all this scenario. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you, you need to start working on communication, you need to start working on your confidence, you need to start working on your technical skill set. If you have these three things na, believe me, you'll get everything in your life. अब वो जो पैसा पैसा होता है ना, जिसके पास में कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होता है ना, और जिसके पास में जॉब होती है ना, वो पैसा पैसा ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है. द मनी इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, द मनी विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली. द मनी विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली. आर यू एग्री विथ मी? When you have a technical skill set, the money will come automatically. Okay. और एक बात तो और भी है कि आप कितना भी साला इंग्लिश में कर लो, लेकिन जब वो बात अपनों से, वो एकदम मतलब खून से जब बात करना ना, एकदम दिल से, वो तो फिर अपने लैंग्वेज में निकलती है. ऐसे वो तो है ही, राइट? Even though I know how to communicate in English, but when I want to express my thoughts in front of my people, वो वो ना अपनी लैंग्वेज में निकलता है. सो स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन कम्युनिकेशन गाइज. ओके, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, सो ये अगर कर लोगे ना, आप जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ कर लोगे. ओके, सो आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वॉट एवर वी आर डिस्कस टिल नाउ? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? चलो. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. थैंक्स फॉर सजेशन सर. वाह, बढ़िया है भाई. यस सर. ये वैसे तो हम ज्ञान पेलने के कोई पैसे नहीं लेते बॉस. ओके, ज्ञान तो हम बहुत बांटते हैं. अब आप लोग हमारे ऑफलाइन क्लास में रहते थे ना, आपको ज्ञान ही ज्ञान मिलता था. बट अब ये फ्री सेशन है, थोड़ा सा टाइम भी अच्छा है, रात के 10 बज चुके हैं, नींद भी नहीं आ रही है, काम भी कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ज्ञान बांट ही ले. सुनने वाली भी बहुत है. जितना ज़्यादा सुनने वाले रहेंगे ना, उतना ज़्यादा और मज़ा आता है. कुछ कुछ लोगों ने अपना नाम 100 रखा है. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कि ये 100 वाले लोग कौन है यार. अब वेन एवर आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई मीटिंग ना, ये 100 वाले लोग मेरे को हमेशा मिलते हैं. तब लगता है कि ये पुलिस है, कौन है. एनीवे, so we discuss about 3 important command today. The first command is pwd. What is the use of pwd? Present working directive. So this is going to tell me where I am right now. Where I am right now? I am inside my home. No, if I want to know where I am right now inside the Linux, you need to simply use the command called pwd. This will tell you that you are currently in Learnomate desktop, something like that. Second command is if I want to list the files from the current location, the command is ls-lrt. The command is ls-lrt. The third command which I want to tell you, mkdir, make a directory. What I want to do, I want to create a directory, mkdir and directory name, where the directory will be created. The directory will be created under current location. जिधर आप हो वहां पे वो directory create हो जाएगी. That's how the things are going to be happen. So these are the 3 commands we have done. This is just a starting, guys. Okay, I have a lot of knowledge. You believe me or not, I have a lot of knowledge. Okay. So we'll do that. Okay, we are going to tell you each and everything. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm going to tell you each and everything slowly, one by one. Only the thing is, you need to follow me. Okay, where you can follow me? You can follow me on my LinkedIn. You can follow me on my Insta. You can follow me to my office. Okay, so we have office is there. Wherever you want to follow me. Okay, but again, if you want these people to follow you, you should start working on 3 things: confidence, communication, technical. And communication में English तो आ ही जाएगा. Okay, fine guys, I hope you people are enjoying these sessions. And again यार, इधर ना ये कुछ भी बोल देता हूँ मैं कभी कभी, तो वो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेजना मत. कैसी तो भी जिंदगी अच्छी चल रही है, लगा दोगी वाट. ठीक है, चलो कितना बज गया? 10 बज गए. चलो कुछ बिरयानी खाते हैं. ओके, चलो गाइस, बाय बाय, सी यू. again, let's meet tomorrow and we'll try to understand the next things. Okay, those people who are not able to do the installation of Ubuntu, will send you the Google form. If you guys are interested to join, we'll do that. Okay, thank you guys. चलो सो जाओ, वैसे भी सोगे तो नहीं, आप सोगे 2 के बाद में, काय को गुड नाइट बोल रहे पता नहीं. चलो बाय बाय.